Pair of hinges for compact size wood seat. Fits. 29,090 29,120 series, 37,010 series, 37,045 37,245 series. A genuine Jabsco part. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit Sealand Magnum Opus. These were a perfect fit for the Magnum Opus hinges by Sealand. My toilet is from 2003 on a Monaco motorhome. These hinges don't come with screws for the toilet seat, but the ones on my seat were fine. I read other reviews saying it should fit this seat and they sure do. My seat is beige and the hinges are white, but not too big a deal. Maybe these hinges come in beige, but I didn't see them. If I couldn't find hinges, I was going to be stuck with buying a new toilet seat for $75 to $90. Very happy with these.